All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So yes, I had to do it. You know I'm an OtterBox fan. So I went into T-Mobile. I was actually in my T-Mobile account, and I saw that they had the OtterBoxes 50% off. So if you want an OtterBox right now, T-Mobile has them for 50% off. Now, I don't know if they're like Verizon, where you can just walk into the store and get one without an account. I'm sure they would love to get that sale, so I don't think it will matter. But I actually have a T-Mobile account, so I was able to get this for 29 bucks, folks. 50% off. So I ripped it open right there in the store and started wearing it. Let me show you what I did. Here's the belt clip and everything. And again, this is for the 13 Pro Max and the 12 Pro Max. But, you know, that aside, obviously ultimate drop protection, blah, blah, blah. But what I did was, because this case, I didn't want the Pro XT, I think it is. I didn't want that because it's a slippery case. And then it's the MagSafe version, but it's a slippery case, and I didn't want it. So I added the MagSafe ring to this case so I can maintain wireless charging. So, and I put it underneath this area right here, and I'll show you in just a second. But here's the case itself. The Defender Pro to me is just one of the best cases ever for any phone that you could possibly get, not just iPhones. So taking it apart here, I'll show you the pieces here. I always just kind of grab at a corner and then started working it around. So this is the top portion right here, the rubbery grippy portion. And then here is the other two pieces. Now you get this top ring right here that'll go along the front. And I have a tempered glass on there. So in the store, I took it off for the purpose of this video, but in the store, it kind of lifted my screen protector when I first put it on, but it leveled itself back out, and that was it. So here is the Defender Pro Drop Plus, and this is how I added MagSafe. So with my MagSafe charger that I just got from Anker, I think this is where I got the ring from. There was a ring in there, so to add MagSafe, basically if you don't have it. So let's go ahead and put this on here. And again, when I first put this on, it lifted my screen protector, and I was like, whoa, uh-oh, something's wrong. But then it actually did work. So it was on the corner down there. So let me turn the screen off, see if I can stick a finger in there and show you. Yeah, see, it won't do it anymore, I guess. I guess maybe I did something wrong in the store. But you just go ahead and put this on. And then the tough part is, the worst part of this case is working your way around the edges. That's it. That's pretty much it. Working your way around the edges. This is a snug fit, and I think that once you get this on, like I won't take this off. I pretty much love OtterBoxes, and you know that's just how it is. And then also, with them being so thin, you know they're super thin because the phones are thin. So that is how it looks on the phone. All touch sensitivity. Let me get myself signed in. All touch sensitivity, everything is good on here, no problems whatsoever. What my screen protector on that is, it's straight up edge to edge on my screen protector. So I'm happy that I used, I think I used the adapter, the cage, whatever, to put the screen protector on, so it lined it up perfectly. So the OtterBox Defender Series case goes on right. Now let me get my MagSafe charger. This is my new Anker charger, and this is the one that I use here. So I'm gonna put this on and show you here because I showed you the ring. And it should hold, at least it did before the video. Okay, so it won't hold up the case itself. This case is a lot heavier. And then also, it's relying on sticking on that plastic, and it's not like a secure, it doesn't have the built-in MagSafe, but I can still wirelessly charge with MagSafe. There you go. So it does charge with MagSafe with no problems. And just that magnet going through the plastic is kind of an issue. But if you are wondering, it can do it. It just won't hold at an angle, but I can still safely wirelessly charge here in my office with the ring on there if I wanted to wireless charge. So that is something that was really important to me, being able to still wireless charge, because that's what I really wanted to do. But ultimately, this case is the ultimate drop protection case. It is just lip protection all the way around the entire case, and you just need to make sure you get it inside of the grooves. And all your buttons will work. Everything will be good. So there it is, man. The OtterBox Defender Pro for the iPhone 13 Pro Max. This is on sale for $29, brand new at T-Mobile. You can either order online or you can walk into a T-Mobile store like I did. I'm happy I was able to walk in. They only have one left in the store for some reason. I guess because they're 50% off now. People are buying them. So there it is, folks. It's your man Jay. Hope you enjoyed the OtterBox Defender Pro. Yeah, this is one of my favorites, man. I love it. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.